Videotaping lightning? I know, Mom, but this is so awesome. It's so awesome.
It's not awesome. It's lightning. Kill you. Get in here.
Mom, it's not even over top of us yet. It's not even, like... Should I realize I want to do this for a living? One more big streak. Oh my god, I hope they're back up. Mom's gonna kill me. Hello? Hey. Videotaping lightning. That's cool. My mom's really mad at me because she didn't want me to come out here in the first place. She didn't want me to come out here in the first place.
Go outside?
Yeah. And I'm just on the back deck. It's not like I'm in the middle of the yard.
Yeah.
Say something to the camera.
Wish you'd come over.
I know, it's too late though. Oh, well, I'm glad that this canopy is holding up.
Yeah, you know, that's probably gonna blow away.
Well, you know what? It's not gonna get very far because unless it goes into the street. But there's a lot in its way to go anywhere. Okay, I'm getting rained on.
What?
It's starting to get rained on. Oh, come on, just one more big streak and then I'll be done. What are you guys doing?
Playing Tetris still.
How's your satellite holding up?
Fine.
Oh my god, I saw that, but it's cooler than get on the camera. That was sweet.
outside, dude. Sounds like a bunch of cannons.
I know, it's sweet. It looks like it too, like over the trees.
Easy edition.
Oh no. Oh, it's starting to get windy. Feels good.
What?
It's starting to get windy. I wonder how long this is gonna be. It's gonna be like 10 minutes.
Huh?
This is gonna be like 10-minute long video of just standing here lightning. I'm gonna have my sister edit it and put like music behind it and stuff, because you can hear our conversation. And it's gonna be kind of funny.
All right. Goodbye.